The second operator station is around on the left side of the column. At the station we have a room water bath where we can cool our samples down before reading the index, a thermocouple for checking them, the refractive index along with the manual, a waste bottle, chem wipes, and pipettes. Also is a storage cabinet here with other items you may need, including heat gloves and centrifuge tubes for sampling. Also on the table between the two stations are the lab manuals, so you can refer to those for both operating the column and theory analysis. This is a room temperature bath, and you can fill with water and put these down in the water to cool to room temperature before you read the index of refraction. Because you did your index of refraction standard curve at room temperature, your samples off the column need to be to room temperature. They are a bit warm at about 26, 27 degrees, and you can check the temperature with this thermocouple. The power to the index of refraction refractometer is just a electric strip you turn on, and then a light will come on. Your sample goes on a plate here. If I open this up, if you have a sample from the column, you get a pipette from the box of pipettes in the back, and you just need a small amount on this prism. Close. Bring your light up, and you're ready to read. We're then going to look into the eyepiece. When you look in the eyepiece, you will see this, a region light and a region dark, and you want to turn the gross focus until that line between the light and dark is halfway between the crosshairs. In the manual, you see a diagram that shows you what you're doing. When you turn the gross focus, you are turning this prism such that the light that passes through the fluid in the prism lines up to satisfy Snell's law, the angle of incidence equals the angle of refraction. And so then you can read what that index of refraction is. In order to read the index of refraction, you're going to hit this toggle button here. When you do that, the light goes out and you're able to see the index of refraction in the eyepiece. What you see in the eyepiece looks something like this, with temperature at the bottom and the index of refraction at the top. So you want to read the index of refraction along this index, and you have a total of 5 significant figures in that reading. For cleanup, all we do is dry the glass. So you bring your light down, open, and there should be chem wipes to dry off this. Since it's isopropanol, a cleaning solvent, there's no need for other cleaning solvents. So just dry that off and wait for your next sample. There is also a waste bottle at the station, so you can pour methanol and propanol that you've used in there instead of having to walk all the way to the lab. Once you are done for the day, you can turn the refractometer back off and just leave it as is for the next time.